Hi there, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough for Soldier's Joy. So Soldier's Joy in double C tuning normally, and it's normally played in the key of D, so banjo players would normally put a capo on the second fret, and that's how I'm going to show you now. I'm not quite in double C tuning though, because I've changed my fifth string. My fifth string is tuned to the same note as the first string on the second fret. I just like the way that works. It's called, by some people, half-shave tuning that. And just works really nicely. You can play it in standard double C. It doesn't change any of the fingering. Just changes that sound because of the fifth string. Anyway, here's how it sounds. The A part in a simple form. I'm going to show you the A part in a slightly more complex form as well. And then you can make it even more complex. And so that's the A part. You play the A part twice. I'm going to go through that slowly. And first of all, you start on the third string with a hammer on, pluck and hammer on to the second fret, and then take it off and play it open. Then the fourth fret and the fourth string, open fourth string, and then fourth fret, fourth string, open third string, and then the open second string twice. So, and then kind of the same again, but it finishes down on the second fret of the fourth string, or the second fret of the second string, or you can play it as a chord. That first bit again. And then the last part again is another repeat of this. It's the second fret on the second string, or the open first string, either works well. Whole of that simple bit of the simple version of the A part. I'm going to do my claw hammering up here so you can see. Okay, so that's the simple A part. Now the intermediate A part. So that goes, it's very similar, obviously. So that's a. And then the harder one again. Okay, so that's all the different A parts covered. that with hammer-ons. You can do it with drop toms. Okay, B part. Made a mistake in that one, let me do it again. That was the bit I got wrong at the end there, just that again. Okay. So start on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, hammer, so you pull off, and then 2nd fret again, we pluck on the 2nd fret. Hammer onto the 3rd, twice on the 5th fret, use whichever finger works for you. And then open 1st string. So that bit starts on the 2nd fret 1st string, up to the 5th fret, and down to the 2nd fret. And that's the open 1st string, drop thumb 2nd string open, and then that's a pluck on the 4th fret on the 3rd string and pull off twice. You can pluck on the last one if you want to. So end bit's the same as the end bit of the 8 part. Too many notes then, I think. Anyway. All of those work. That's Soldier's Joy. Yeah, hope you like it. Hope you play it. This banjo is sounding lovely and bright, isn't it? So a lot of people say nylon strings don't sound bright. This one really does. It's got a tuba tone ring, and it's stuffed up good and proper, because it's really, really bright otherwise, and it overpowers the microphone on my phone. That's it. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.